Three underrated altcoins, what you have to pay attention now. Three altcoins, what you can watch now. First one, it's a Saga. Every altcoin in this video is just a pure speculation, guys. We not pay attention for the fundamental or some roadmaps or what the team promise you. We just analyze the chart and speculate this asset. So this is what people have to know about altcoins in general. But believe it or not, almost all of them will come back to the fundamental value line. That's why we analyze on a weekly time frame the Saga, now so underrated. We invalidate the initiation accumulation pump model. You remember this model. Highly recommend you use this indicator. So it's show you just all zones, all levels, zone of interest based on initiation accumulation pump model. You don't need to draw it everything manually now, everything automatically. Saga today is pumped, pretty good, but it's just a local bounce to test the previous invalidation level. So if we invalidate the idea that previous support blocks will be like resistance. I already showed you the most amazing scenario for the Saga if by some miracle we're going to reach the 95 cents. I don't know what should happen right with the Saga, but this is a based on only one model. Right, invalidation level is here. Usually when we form something like this order flow, we come back and close the 50% of that order flow. I add my alert here to close position. This one, this alert added. Of course, it's not a full fill. That's why you can also use the smart money concept indicator to determine the levels. So here, you can add alerts to close the 50% of the daily gap, for example, this middle line. So I recommend you use this indicator. Link will be on the description below, totally for free. Right, so based on initiation accumulation pump model, previously, of course, we analyzed the Saga, and we could see the high level when we analyze here at 90 cents, and the target was the new all-time high, or at least the $5. Now, of course, that target is unreal. Locally, on a weekly, there is no money inflow. That's why be ready for the summer correction. If we will see the correction, I wish to see, of course, the continuation and at least close this this one gap, 48 cents. Now it sounds unrealistic one also, or even the 98 cents unrealistic one. But guys, every single coin just a pure speculation, and you see examples like with the lab, so it's pumped at 4,000% gain. So even the Saga low cap token can pump 4,000, right? And everybody's screaming we're going to the moon, and it's going to be the distribution zone. That's why I highly recommend you check the ADZ, accumulation distribution zones, check the direction zone, where to out, and check the money power, money outflow. Here was the money inflow. 1, 2, 3 months in a row, somebody accumulated Saga. What's their average entry? We can't know, but it's on the Binance was accumulation. Last accumulation also was here in December 25 on the weekly. Now nothing, but we pump it pretty good. So the first trouble area now locally, it's a 554. My target is here, added a way to close position. Right, money power, we can close. Initiation accumulation pump model, work on the daily time frame and the smaller one, so I highly recommend it. Also use it, link will be on the description below. Take profit indicator, guys, on a daily. We reached the take profit line. The same story, because everything is fractal, you will see on weekly. So now we test take profit line on daily. That's why swing trades you can close. If you bought it around here at 1 cent, now at 360 you could close. Done. Or at least withdraw initial deposit. Weekly time frame, Saga underrated. Lines are dynamic. Add alert to the fundamental value line. It's at 30 cents now. We got a price and the value. So the value based on algorithm. It doesn't mean this exact value of the project. No, it's just the basic of algorithm of this chart. Take profits and the fundamental value price. Done. Lines are dynamic. So in the next few months, for example, this line can be at 25. That's why add alert to the line, not to the price. Take profit line is 83 cents. That's why fundamental value line, now it's a main target. Test below. After that, test below the 41 cent at this current moment. It's buy line test below. Right, so targets I showed you. So now no makes sense to zoom out. Let's work only with this block, even like this block. I think this around here, it's the most crazy positive scenario for the Saga, around the 90 cents. I don't know what should happen, but it's possible. Next coin is Sahara, absolutely the same model, but not invalidated. So like you can see, we use after listing the same model. Some coin, maybe because of market makers, maybe we can't know what the behind of these projects, what the relationship of the project, the market maker of the project, and the centralized exchanges. So you saw the post in Twitter now about the BitGet coordinate and manipulate the price of the lab coin meme. So we can't know how the team operate with the exchanges or the market makers, what the main goal of that. But anyway, by algorithm, they usually deliver the price after listing to first zone of interest and the second one. If we hold the line at the second zone of interest, you can be sure one day we'll come back to test this block like a distribution. For Sahara, we hold the line pretty good. On the daily time frame here, it was a listing. I showed you the video, so it's not a time to in, not a time to buy. We need to wait the zone of interest. People laughing, so no, it's magic, it's a super fundamental projects. But you remember there was an A drop, and after the A drop, usually the market makers just dump the price. So here, listing, you can scroll it down and find the post about a Sahara in Telegram channel. Here, listing in June 25, we need one daily candle close to remind the next levels for the next years. So after the year, now we once again now like support again in first zone of interest. Drop 23, new all-time high, rejection, test still paying at 38, crash it down to this block, hold the line a little bit, and crash inside a last zone of interest. Based on this model, this is a zone where you need to withdraw initial deposit. Of course, better after 100% profit, better withdraw initial deposit. But this is a zone where you need to take profit. After that, leave some 25% maybe coins for the long run if some magic happen and we hit new all-time high. That's it. That's a strategy. That's a plan. So we hold the line at 78. Now we try hold here. So usually if two scenarios like usual, guys, you can love it, you can hate it, but that's the point of the trading. We can't work like by luck, I guess. No, we have to build a plan. So if the summer will be with the correction, we probably will see the drop once again to zone of interest. Not buying here, not buying here, not buying here. Just wait the zone of interest. That's it. If we see like impulse, consolidation, impulse, it can be the impulse even to the zero level, break this high, break the structure, and continue rally higher. That's it. Zones absolutely relevant. You just need turn on the indicator and all zones you will see on your screen. If you confuse why it's not showing on the weekly time frame, because it's disabled on the weekly, monthly, and the seconds time frames. That's it. Pretty simple. So highly recommend you use this indicator. Link will be on the description below. Money power on the weekly here, where the whales accumulate a Sahara. 1, 2, 3, December, around 2 cents 5. Here accumulation 1 cent 7, 1 cent 3. I watched the lowest prices in zone of interest with money inflow. So this is a money inflow from the whales. We pump. No money outflow. Add alerts to the money outflow. Pretty simple to track. The same way you could buy in together with that guys here and just sell together with these guys. Weekly time frame, take profit. No data, not enough days, not enough bars. Daily, we trade over exit line. Once again, if the summer red, we could see the drop to the buy line. Buy line dynamic, which can be, I don't know, 2 cents, for example, 1.96. Now the more attractive level is here. This is that one, gap on a daily. I'll recommend you use also smart money concept zones. This indicator, add alerts and track. So you can be sure sooner or later we're gonna test here. You can look how the algorithm works, guys. You won't believe everything what you see on the chart is just algorithm here. Do you think this one was a random? Of course not, because we stop it here because of algorithm. After that, consolidate, and with that drop, that support touch Now it's exactly till penny the 0.5 low above E of the daily gap. Magic. No, because it's an algorithm. Because the market makers trade not manually. There's no like dozens or hundreds people control the market. No, it's just a soft and the bots what they work with. I'll recommend you just find some interview of DWF Labs, for example, or Wintermute, and listen what they say about how do they work. They even share it. It's not a secret. So they work with the soft. And the same way I create an initiation accumulation pump model indicator. So of course, this is not like I like the market makers' strategies. No, of course not. But this model try to identify the zone of interest of the market makers. So last one, the OK zone of take profit, invalidation. Very simple. If you the condition, I'll recommend to find the lowest listing price. All right. The zone I showed you. Where to add alert, I showed you. What will be next? My idea, I explained to you. Manta. Manta, the same story, guys. Take a look. Everybody's screaming, we're going to the moon. These zones we can delete and just turn on the indicator now. That's it. So technically we invalidate the area, just to sweep the invalidation. And if on a Donald Trump dump, if the summer red, we build a plan. Here, invalidation level again, 5 cents. If you feel okay to buy now, you can buy it. Target 34.69. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. And I don't think so that Manta will ever reach this zone, 254. 255. Most likely we're going to test this one, and finish the right. And the most crazy also scenario, it's 86, when we form something like this one, downtrend line. Touch, and it's going to be the touch and the drop to the next bear market. I don't want to say 2-0, but time will show us. Time will show us. Now take a look locally on a weekly. I'll recommend you, by the way, guys, find the first videos about Manta. You'll be impressed. I showed you all zones before, even warned about invalidation. Who could even imagine, yes, so the Manta could dump to the 4 cents? Nobody. But it is what it is. Because all levels, all zones were relevant and still relevant. All right. Some news about Manta. Staking ads. Manta networking .x listing. Wow. Guys, sorry, but what is in .x? It's craziness. It's just literally craziness. This is the news and the updates what we deserve from that super fundamental projects. Nice one. Thanks. All right. This is a smart money concept zones, guys. Adds alert to the gaps. Of course, we need to work with the high gaps. That's why first trouble area is 15. It's more than real to see. Money power underrated. So soon we will see this block and this block. 48 realistic target. Fulfill 54 realistic target. Timing, nobody knows the timing. I'm not sure about this block anymore, but at least this one will be filled. I guess. When? I have no idea. This year or the next one. Weekly time frame, no money inflow. Daily, if you speculate on a daily, let's check. What do we got here? So we broke the structure up. So this is a both break of structure, but I don't like this one, money outflow. So the next trouble area for the month is here. It's 10 cents 39. So if the summer green, this is it. This is the way. And guys, if you bought, for example, 6.5 at 13, just with raw initial deposit, it will be never a mistake. All right, so let me check the last indicator, take profit. Here, you can be sure sooner or later, we will just in a few days, I guess, we will test the take profit line. Let's add alert, even to the take profit line. I'll recommend you do the same. Take profit line. Now it's 883. Of course, the time to buy was here at the buy line. Now it's the take profit line. Exit line is 10 cents, 0.56. Summer red, we buying not here, not here, not here, not here. We buying only at the buy line. Simple. Weekly, same story like with the Saga. We underrated this one. 1634 fundamental value line test. Take profit line. It's 43.75. Add alerts to the lines and track it. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what you think about this 3 altcoins. If you would like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video and add the same alerts like I did, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time.